Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to share files between iPhone and Windows. Okay, if you want to transfer some important file from iPhone to Windows or from Windows to iPhone, so this video is going to be very interesting. In this video I am not going to install any extra app. In this video we are going to use one web-based tool. Okay, in your PC you need to open any web browser like this. In the Google, here you need to search Send Anywhere. Okay, and open this official website. Send Anywhere also come with a official app. So for now guys, we are not going to install the app. In your iPhone you need to open any web browser. In the Google, same here you need to search Send Anywhere. Okay, and open the official website. After opening, here you can't get the option like send and receive. In your iPhone you need to enable the desktop side version on your phone. Click on three dots, scroll down, and here you can get the option request desktop side. Just you need to select this. After selecting requesting desktop side, here you can get the option send and receive. For example, if you want to send any file from iPhone to Windows, just tap on plus button. You need to select your photo videos file. So now it will take some time to upload this, and tap on send. You can get 3 or 4 second ad here. You need to wait it and you need to skip this. Okay, after this guys, in your PC here you need to enter this number. Okay, and then simply click on download button and select the file location where you want to download this file, and then simply click on save. So as you can see guys, the file was sharing from my iPhone to Windows PC. Same thing you can follow from Windows to iPhone. So this is the easiest and very simple method to share files between iPhone and Windows PC without installing app. Okay, so I am using app, but I am not installing the app. You need to remember this guys. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our Smart Tech Junction for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.